Welcome back, guys. It is Thursday and my name is Daniel, and it is a beautiful day here at Triple R Farms this morning. I found this out in the lot. I think I have a feeling where it goes, but hopefully we'll get a lot done today. Sorry, the sun's blinding you, isn't it? We're gonna try to get a lot done today since I had all that crazy stuff go on yesterday. But let me put this back on. Okay. Anyway, today I'm gonna be working on the disc. What I was doing to the other one on the last video. Welding right here where this has gotten real loose. We're just gonna weld it up because we don't adjust it anymore. And then I'm gonna get back on the pump that I was working on the other day, running those lines. So if I can get this done and that, and then we'll move on to the next project. But y'all come on with us. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. The disc is done. I welded it up. So that's done. So I can fold this up and pull it out of the way. Dad had to fix a bearing over here on this little gauge wheel. It's ready to go?
Ready to go.
That bearing is fixed. It's just barely sitting in there.
Not tight.
No, it may be the wrong size and somebody just...
I don't know if it wallowed the edge of the hub out, then a new one's not going to fit tight either.
What do you want me to do?
Go see if you got a hubcap before you take that one off. And if you take it off and it's still loose, you're going to have to duct tape it again. Sometimes when the bearings go out, the wheel's doing this and it wallows right where the hubcap fits tight. I got my good duct tape. You got any of that good?
Yes.
Okay, Gorilla tape. All right.
I got the good stuff.
All
right. Look for a hubcap. Not sure what went on there, who duct taped it, but if I can find the right size, I'll go ahead and take that duct tape off and see if I can stick a new one on. And if it doesn't fit right, we'll have to duct tape it back on with the good duct tape. But I don't even know where I'm looking. Hold on. Where is it? Oh, down here. Alright, it's too dark. Y'all can't see it. I'll cut y'all off. Look at there. It's in the right spot. I hope it's for the disc. So let's go try it out. Okay, the verdict is this was the wrong cap. Don't know why somebody put it in there. It's probably missing a cap and they just grabbed this one and put it in there and it didn't fit right and duct taped it. Probably what happened. We'll never know who did it because we don't tell on each other. This is the right cap. But before I put it on, I saw that the bearing is just a little bit, got a little slack in it. So I have to take this cotter pin out, tighten that nut up right there. Just a few rounds, maybe one round, and then I'll put this cap back on. But the issue is, Mark is in my truck, and he took my truck to Selma because I bought new tires for my pickup truck. So he's in town getting those put on, so I don't have any tools. So I'm waiting on Dad to get back here with his truck so I can borrow his tools and go ahead and finish this. So that's the hold up. And yes, as you can tell, went from 32 degrees this morning. It's 10:30, and I think we're reaching, it's got to be getting close to 70 because I'm actually getting hot. So crazy Alabama weather. So this tractor and disc are done. I'm about to fold it up, and I'll move it out of the way, put it out there somewhere in the lot, and this will be finished. God, no it isn't. Dadgummit. I forgot about this. These hoses. Gotta tie those hoses up. But I don't think this is a good spot to do it. So we will move it out there on the concrete pad where there's no water, and we'll tie them back up, and then we'll be through with this. Well, I'll probably just fix it right here because there's already a lot of stuff on the concrete pad. So we'll just pull it up a little bit out of that mud hole and fix it right here. This is my wife's yoga mat. Was her yoga mat until the dog got a hold of it. So now it is a shop mat, a shop yoga mat. That's what it is. This will work. See what we got here. That's too long. That's all one piece. Dang it. Still don't have my truck back. No tools. So you gotta improvise. This is hard. Hold on. Still didn't fix the problem. Still hanging down right here. Golly, and that filter's leaking. Well, that's better than it was. And the hydraulic leak is just looks like the seal where the filter screws in. It's probably that seal just leaking a little bit. We're gonna let it ride. What in the world? I don't know if y'all can see that, but water's coming all out of the hood where the fan is. I hope that's just rainwater that's settled in the area. Oh, we got a major problem. Oh, that's not good. I don't think that's just water. Rainwater that's settled by the fan. This thing is so hard. Ugh. In the world is going on? Leaking out of somewhere. Like the radiator, a line on the radiator is leaking. Can't tell where it is. I think I'm still just gonna move it out of the way because it's blocking the entrance here. And when Dad gets here, I can have him watch it as I rev it up, see if he can tell where it's coming from. But move it out of the way. Well, I don't know where the leak was, but now I'm thinking maybe it was just maybe too full, and it was a little bit some overflow coming out because we were checking antifreeze and stuff. Because I ran it for 5 minutes wide open, and it never blew the water out of the screen right here. So I think it's good. I think it was just the little reservoir or whatever was too full. Still got to do that. Well, got my truck back. Y'all want to see what kind of tires I got? I got Toyo RTs. Had them on my last truck. Wonderful tires, and they still got plenty of grip. And I think I got 70,000 miles out of them, and they didn't hum, they didn't vibrate. Just really good tires. And I got the 35s, 20-inch rims, but I love those tires. I'll buy them every time. But whew, glad to get my truck back with the tools. Now I'm gonna weld up on this and weld right there. And then that way I'll be done with this rolling basket. And then all I gotta do left is, like I said, put the hoses on. And this tractor and that plow will be ready to go. You can mark that off the list. Got it welded up where that hinge is. The pump, running the hoses and hydraulic lines, Dad wanted me to not do that today. He wanted to save that for in the morning. so they'll have something to do in the morning. Because I'm not going to be here first thing in the morning. I've got something I got to go do, so but I'll be here hopefully by, I don't know, 11 o'clock, 11:30. And so anyway, he's gonna finish this up in the morning. Got Mark, he's gonna clean up where he washed the last picker, and then I'm gonna pull my picker, which is right there. I'm gonna pull it up there, and he's gonna keep washing on it. He's washed on it some, but he's gonna start trying to finish it up. So that's what we got going on. All right, what's wrong with this one?
This is cracked. Radiator choked up. Tractor got hot, built up pressure, cracked the reservoir.
Is this that one?
I think that, yeah. There's 2 bolts on.
And you got a new reservoir?
Got the new reservoir in the box. Make sure it looks right. Is that on tape?
Yeah.
Don't say that.
Yes, it's on tape.
Huh? Yeah, that looks like it.
All right, it looks right. Now I gotta put it on.
We gotta get the hoses on first.
All right, got it off. Now we're ready to go back on. I don't know who that is. Alright, got the 120 behind me, the little case tractor we just worked on, got it finished, and that's gonna be pretty much it for today. Got a lot done, but still have a lot to do. Hopefully one of these days the land is gonna get dry and we'll start doing some tillage work. We hadn't had rain in a while, so every day we get these full days of sunshine, 70 degrees, we'll be running in the fields not too long, so maybe I'll get some drone footage of that coming up. Anyway guys, that's it for today.